Okay, got this road bicycle Bianchi. About to fix it up. Unfortunately, the gentleman crashed on this bicycle, so just gonna do a little check on it, safety check. So yeah. Okay. Alrighty, so I'm gonna check this out.
You have a Venmo handle?
Yeah, I got Venmo.
Yeah, 'cause I don't have to.
It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, we'll do it later. Okay. So, since he crashed on this bike, it doesn't look like he fell too hard on it. Because I've seen some pretty bad scrapes on a bike. Thankfully, he didn't. Check that wheel out. Nah, that wheel's in there pretty solid, so that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Okay. Okay. So he was probably going underneath that bridge, and all the sand was probably sandy right there in that area. So that wheel's straight in there. So check the brake pads, the brakes, the rim. Oh, brake pads are hitting a little high. Gonna lower the rub on the tire, and then you get a sidewall blowout. So.
Got you. Yeah, I do need thicker wheels, don't I?
You didn't need what? New wheels?
Yeah, do I?
No, you don't need new wheels. They're just like super slick,
Yeah.
which I don't like because, you know, our roads aren't that great.
Yeah. I need to switch those out for safety.
Yeah.
This will happen again.
Yeah. I like the Schwalbe Marathon Plus tires. They got a multi-tread on them.
Yeah. The thickest this bike can go is 28 mm.
28. Yeah, that's because it's a dedicated road bike. You know what I mean? That's the bummer with it. You know, I can't go wide. Side that derailleur hanger will bend, and you will have bad shifting. Even if I have to bend it straight, but you don't have that issue. So, I mean, it's unfortunately you took a lot of the you know what I mean, the fall. But oh shoot. Yeah, and your PSI was really low. So these are Continental gear skins. These go up to 100 PSI. I'm not a big fan of these tires, but they are pretty popular. Let's see here.
Yeah, I mean, I bought this off the marketplace. I got no idea what really got it.
I mean, okay. So yeah, you were really low on your PSI. It was about 40 PSI.
Really?
Could have got a
80 when I rode this morning.
Yeah. That means you probably have a slow leak. I would fix it. I would change it out for you, but I'm pretty sure you probably want to get home on.
A slow leak in the tire, or?
Yeah, you might have a slow leak in the tire. Then again, these weren't screwed in all the way.
Yeah.
So you got to screw these. You don't have just finger tight. You don't have to like crank down on it. Just a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, that needs to be tightened up. Yeah, this always comes loose, that caliper mounting bolt. And so, yeah, these brake pads are hitting high too. Hitting high. Okay. Okay, that one's doing good. Let me get that I need my L-shaped key. Where's my L-shaped key at? Hopefully I think this one was a little loose right here. Yeah, there you go. But yeah, man, seems like the shifting's pretty good on it. Shifting is really, see that? It's pretty good. Going down. Oh shit! Oh shit! Got us caught in there. You gotta check that high limit screw. All right. See that high limit screw. Okay. Okay. Shit. Yeah. Okay. Let's check that high limit. Yeah, let me get that. Shit. Where's my screwdriver at? Let's check this screwdriver. There we go. Phillips screwdriver. And that low limit screw is way out. We're gonna screw that bad boy in. Cause great place. Good job, man. Yeah, that was all bad. Yeah. That low limit screw was so far out. Yeah. Oh. See it rubbing on there? So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep on. I'm gonna screw that thing in pretty far in because it is trying to go past the lowest gear. Yeah, that is bad. That is real bad. What the heck is going on here? This is. Oh. This is. Yep. That's just really far out. That's insane. That's insane. There we go. See that? Nothing. This guy almost, he could have had something real bad happen to him. There you go. Now watch this. See that? So we're in the little chain ring in the front and the big cogs in the back. So there we go. Oh, that B screw is set pretty good. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Bada bang. It's a little off. Cool. You're all set, dude. You're all set. I'll lean this up. And bada bing. And that's one nice Bianchi. Okay. Let's get you. Screw this. Oh shit. Lavas tu manos. Da, da, da. Okay. Alright, so the gentleman got a slow leak on his electric bicycle. I'm just gonna put some slime on it. It's got a weird C-post, so I don't want to touch it. And yeah, just gonna get him out of here real quick.
How long does it take to set it up?
What? That's gonna take like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So, gotta take his little cap off. It's got a little Schrader valve core tool. You can buy these at an automotive store. You don't have to go to a bike shop. You can go to an automotive store to buy these. Schrader valves are the most common valve here in America. Okay. Put that in my pocket. Actually, I'm gonna put this on the table real quick. There. Shake up the slime. And so all you gotta do is put about, I think, 4 ounces into the inner tube. This tube right here is the same size as the Schrader valve. Makes it super easy. I'll lift this bike up real quick. Okay, there we go. Okay, there you go. That's pretty good. He's got a 700 by 48C, so it's a pretty big tire. I think that's good enough. I'll put a little bit more, just a tad bit more. Okay. There you go. That's good. That's good. Yeah, like that. So now, gotta put this little valve thing back in there. Okay. Put this in here. Now you don't need to tighten this super tight, just finger tight. Don't crank down on it, because you'll damage the seal. Okay.
Huh? Can you pause that? Yeah.
Alright, there's my little rag yet. Okay, so we got that. I'm gonna pump it up. Pump it up. Yeah.
I usually have it around 45.
45 psi. All right, you got it. So 45 psi. Okay. It's a nice belt-driven bicycle. Okay.
You know, I'll check it tomorrow, and if it's flat, then I'll take it.
Yeah. Okay. Let that spin for a little bit.
Yeah.
It's just got a coat in there.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. And you're all set.